right in the ring. Feels like the late days of WCW.
The guy who almost died got the stun gun.
Yeah, he was holding it. He was like on, off. Which one? Left, right channel?
Our official Paco.
Paco, in English, please.
Por favor.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1 round till one person taps. Let's fight.
And here we go. Oh, Robert reaches for the stun. Richard reaches for the stun gun first. Oh, but he couldn't get it.
Oh! His monkey heart's kicking in.
Oh, no. It's loose. It's loose.
Let him go, they're brothers.
Let him fight it out here.
You're liking it.
Who can hold on to this?
God, whoever gets soft first.
I feel like women are going to be red.
No one's tapped yet. No one is tapped. Is this This is until somebody taps.
Oh, God! Oh, God!
I have no idea if that
This is like a Star Trek fight. Oh, it's over!
It's over.
Scott Thompson, I came 3 times during that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow.
One more time for Rich.
Holy shit.
Can we see any of the scars there? Are there any scars on the body of
Yes.
a Rambo?
All right, well, I wonder if women's confidence in carrying a stun gun is plummeted.
That is true. That was useless.
Makes you want to commit a crime.
Using it to irritate him.